Hello, my dear friends. A.S.S. Science Foundation once again here with a very fresh initiative. So recently, Central Pollution Control Board have notified the scientist B position for 67 seats, right? Where there will be an entrance followed by the interview. Along with that, the people can also fill up the senior technical assistant form. So for that particular position of scientist B and senior technical assistant, in the category of environmental science and environmental engineering, along with the chemistry and life sciences, A.S.S. Science Foundation have started a special batch where we are offering variety of programs. So in those variety of programs, we have the following 4 modules where the live online program is there, under which the study material live classes will be provided to the student on daily basis. 4 hours of daily classes is there, and specifically the part 1 aptitude part and subject are taken separately. Apart from that, we have the correspondence with video program. Those who cannot attend live, they can join this correspondence with video program, in which the live lecture will be telecasted in the recorded form, and the student can take benefit out of that. The material, the study kit, the doubt session on the WhatsApp, and query base is available in this program also. After that, the third program is only cloud-based program where the recorded lectures will be provided and the doubt clearing session will be given. Then we have the only study kit program where the material related to the position entrance scientist B will be provided. So these 4 category of programs are available. So those who are interested, they can reach us. The batch have just started and quite a good amount of number of students are involved. So we have tried to share with the broader community. So if anyone having the interest regarding this program, they can reach us, and the 4 form of the program like online live program, where the live classes will be there for daily 4 hours, aptitude separately and the subject separately. And we are covering environmental science and engineering here, environmental science, then chemistry, as well as life sciences. All the 3 domains program we are providing. Then the correspondence with video program is there, where the people who are involved in jobs or cannot attend the live classes because of some reason, they will also take benefit of the live classes through this. Then we have only cloud lecture classes, which is there. The direct classes can be taken, and the study material is also available from the center. Apart from that, the institute is also offering NET-JRF for July 2023. The batches in offline, online, and correspondence mode have just started. Apart from that, the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and GATE Ecology Evolution for 2024, the batches are going on in online and offline mode. So the interested people can reach us. Then we also have the specialized program for the undergraduates who are targeting the M.SC in environmental sciences or biotechnology or life sciences, IIT JAM, TIFR. The people who are interested in doing their master's or PhD from US or Europe, along with the specialized interview preparation, are also available with the expert panel of the A.S.S. So those people who wish to start the program, they can reach us on the given contact numbers, right, or through our web page. Thank you very much.